In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys about try and exceptions in Python. So I have my basic Tinker window here. It's 500 by 500, and it's just blank. I didn't add any background color to it. So yeah, we're going to be making an application, and it will basically it will basically throw an error. The console will throw an error, and then we will bypass it using the try and exception. Okay, so we want to first make a text box, and to make text boxes, we actually have to do entry, what is called entry. So like button has capital B-U-T-T-O-N. So similar to that, text box has capital E-N-T-R-Y entry. So I'm just going to call this statement because we're just going to put a statement in this, like we have nothing else to name it. You can name it anything though, because this is still just a variable. So it is supposed to be a capital E, like any other GUI component. And then we want to assign it to the root. We don't want it to have text because we're going to put the text inside since it is a text box. And then we want to place it like any other GUI component. I'll just put this not in the middle, but close enough. And then I want to do anchor is equal to center, so stay in the center. And then yeah. So if I run that, you'll see we have a text box, and it works perfectly. You can put text in it, but you can't really do anything with it right now because we haven't given it a button or any real function to it. So yeah, I'll close that. So now we want to make the actual exceptions. So I'm going to define a function except, and then that's what I'm going to call it. We don't want anything in the parentheses for now. Let's do like number add is equal to 5. Now this is just a variable. You know, you can do basically anything with this. So we're going to do user input is equal to statement dot get. Now what this does is it will basically take the user input and it will get it from statement. So statement is remember, it's the text box, and we are going to fetch the text from the text box, and we are going to store it into the user input. Yeah. So now we want to do the try. So we're going to try print user input plus number add. So which is 5. This is the variable. And since this is 2 different data types, we know that it will be a type error. I will make a video on the different kinds of errors in the future, so you can know how what the different errors in Python are and how to fix them. So what you want to do is you just want to do except except and then the type of error it is, so in this case it's type error. And we want to put a colon, and then we should do a message box stating that you can't add 2 different data types. So to add a message box, it's pretty simple. It's actually more simple than you might realize. It's just message box dot show info, and then it's whatever text. So I'm just gonna do cannot add 2 different types or 2 different data types. So yeah, And then we're just gonna do a button, so you can actually, like, run the function. So I've already talked about making a button. It's not that hard. I won't be explaining it in this video because you should probably already know how to make one. It's really not that difficult. I'm just gonna name it or put the text as press this because I can't really think of anything else. So yeah. And then it's going to be function except as the command, since that is our function here. Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to place it now. btn1 place rel x is equal to 0.5, and rel y is equal to 0.4, and then anchor is equal to center. And then return loop. So we should be good. Let me run this, and yeah, you see, it's good. And then let me just do like, actually, you have to do a string. So yeah, I'll add 2 different data types. That is good. That's good. We have done what the code is supposed to do. So yeah. So it's trying to add 5, since number add, it's trying to add 5, but since this is a string, it can't do that, obviously. So that's why it gives the error, and that's type error, because you can't add 2 different types. So that's it for this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you enjoy my videos. Please like my videos, share them, and subscribe. Thank you.